Hello, everyone. My name is Bita Safari. I'm the founder and the CEO of GiGO Clean technology. GiGO Clean is an application serving cleaning industry by connecting consumers to cleaners directly. Welcome to our podcast. I'm here with a very special guest, Sam Ardalan, and Tehran, as always, is with me. So without further say, we want Sam to introduce himself. Tell us a little bit about himself and his personal life. Sam?
Well, thank you very much for inviting me. This is a pleasure. I'm Sam Ardalan, owner of Red Hot Properties. I'm a business broker for 31 years. And very busy.
Broker? That doesn't even sound real.
Yeah,
that sounds like one of those jobs where no one knows what the job is, and you just say
So
it
what do
to
you do?
impress girls at the bar. Like, hey, what do you do?
Okay, are
Say,
you
I'm
gonna
a
say
business broker. Yeah, it's like, you
Next
know.
time
Well,
when you're
unfortunately,
going
it didn't impress any of the girls at the bar. So.
It impressed one girl. You have a wedding ring on. It impressed one girl.
That was before I was a business broker. No, but seriously, it's a lot of people don't actually know what a business broker is. And that's how I got my first deal, was a business owner that was liquidating their business and they didn't know they could sell. So basically a business owner can sell somebody's business, whether it's a manufacturing company, retail, service, doctor's practice, even some businesses that are closed. Last year, because of COVID, I sold 3 restaurants that were closed. And somebody else came in, changed the name, changed the concept, and they're making a go of it. So we put the buyer and the seller together and
cool.
do all the due diligence and the paperwork and escrow, and if there's a loan involved, it's complicated.
It sounds complicated. What kind of training do you have to be a business broker?
Well, I owned 3 businesses and sold them all on my own. So that was kind of my training by actually doing it. There are classes, and there's California Association of Business Brokers that you can join and take their classes and education. I'm actually a certified business broker, which there's only 6 in Orange County.
Oh.
If you
That's
go
good
on
to
the...
know.
Thank you, yeah.
Well, there's about to be 7 because I might be a business broker.
I'll teach you everything
How
if you want to do.
But you have to have 3 businesses, sell them yourself.
No, you don't have
No,
to.
you-
That's just what happened to me.
Okay.
That was just
because
my...
that right there, I was gonna be like, I quit. I already quit. It's too much. It sounds like a lot of work.
No, that was my experience. But there are business brokers that have never owned a business. But you know what?
It is
I
an
have I have
advantage.
the edge on that because and then I've bought a business for myself and my wife. So I've been on both ends. So I know how the seller thinks. I know how the buyer thinks, and that's important to be the broker and actually being on both sides yourself. It brings a lot to the table. Besides, knowing how to do the paperwork and the advertising and
very
all
cool.
that stuff.
I mean, it sounds very. Would you like to sell your business to me, Visa June? GiGO, sell that to me because I have a business
broker,
broker.
let's make a deal right now.
Someday, everybody that has a business would eventually needs to exit, whether it's retirement
That's correct.
or moving or things like that. Now, that brings me to cleaning. I'm so busy because when I list a business, I get inquiries, I get people, we call them looky-loos. They're just curious, and they, but I don't know which one is real and which one is not. So
Right.
I have to spend time, I have to talk to them, I have to answer their 1,000,001 questions. And what's nice about your app is that, because before, let me go back. Before, our neighbor had a cleaning lady,
Yeah, that's
and
fine
my wife
usually.
gave me the number, and she has a full-time job. So I I'm a little bit more flexible with my time, so I do the chores as far as making the appointments. But I would call the number, it goes to voicemail. I don't get an answer for a day or two, and I don't know if it's happening or not happening, and I want to make an appointment so I can make my other appointments around it. Well, with this app, it's fantastic. I just go click, 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 and it's done.
Easy to use, convenient.
That's the best part, because
It
I
is.
know the time that I want, and I'll get it, and it's done, and then I can make my other appointments around it and not have to wait and wonder, is it happening, is it not happening? And besides that, I don't even know if those ladies are insured or bonded, or they fall down, something happens in my house.
That's very true.
I feel secure, with using GiGO. It's just fantastic. I'm so happy.
My question to you is this. How does a person, and you're originally from Iran,
Yes.
come to America, never mind become a business broker, but get the name Sam? Because you don't look like a Sam. You don't look like a Sam. You don't look like a Sam. Doesn't look like a Sam. You don't look like a Sam.
Before I came to America, when I was 11 and a half, my parents sent me to a boarding school in England. I guess I was too much trouble at home, so they just wanted to send me away somewhere. No, but it was the thing to do, I think, at the time, because my cousins were there too. And but anyway, so the first night in the dormitory, there was 2 English guys, one on this side, one on this side. I was in the middle, our beds, and they said, "What's your name?" I said, "Siavosh." He goes, "What?" They looked at each other and they said, "We'll call you Sam." Okay. So I've been Sam since I was 11 and a half, and it just kind of stuck to it.
I wonder if there's a British kid who was sent to Iran for boarding school, and they were like, "What's your name?" And he said, "Michael." And they were like, "We're going to call you Muhammad from now on." And now he goes by Muhammad.
I'm sure there is.
It better happen that way.
I'm sure
too.
there is.
It better happen that way.
I know there was an American school in Iran that a lot
Exactly.
of Americans went to that school. So yeah, it's very possible.
I hope it happens all the time. I hope it happens all the time.
So now I have to ask you, how did you get the name Tehran?
It's very easy. My father's from Tehran, had a child, decided to name that child Tehran, and that is how the name Tehran came to be.
It's fantastic.
Fantastic.
I love
It's not
it.
a common
I love
name.
It's not a name. No one else has the name Tehran, which makes it even better. It makes it
does.
even better. My father's from Tehran, and so he named me Tehran. And so I'm
That's
so glad my
fantastic.
father wasn't from another city, like Qazvin. I could have been named Qazvin. I could have been named Qazvin. How do I say Qazvin? Qazvin is very hard for me to say. I was born and raised in America.
I
so.
know a lot of people can't say "re."
Yeah, the re is a hard. You have to
It
learn
is
more.
hard.
Yeah.
But it's
Re
not.
also,
It's
re.
hard if you're not used to it. That's the difference. Any sound is that S is difficult for Iranians because they're not used to saying it, but it's very simple for anyone who's here. School is very simple, and then someone would say S school. That's the best part.
That's me. I always put emphasis on S.
Good for you.
Right.
It just means that you speak more than one language, which is better than most people. Right? And you have your
Thank
own
you.
business. And your business helps people. And your business cleans my house. So you already win. Right? And it should be
Thank you.
cleaning all your businesses, Sam.
No, but he's
Yes.
selling those businesses.
Yes.
Yeah, but you have to sell.
Yeah,
have you
correct.
never had a car? Like
No.
you have to wash the car. Like you
Right.
can't sell a dirty car. Dirty car automatically means that the price is in half right there. It has to be clean. You have
Very
Absolutely.
good point.
I'm going to recommend you to every business that I'm dealing with the seller, and once it's sold to the buyer, why not?
Right, they can benefit.
It's a no-brainer. So yes,
And you always
definitely.
say that GiGO is fast, convenient, easy, and free.
Free to download, right?
But the most important thing you forget sometimes is it's very reliable.
It is reliable.
And
It's very
reliability
reliable.
means everything in a business, because
Right.
if a business isn't reliable, I as the consumer don't count on it. And so the reliability factor, to know that someone who's a trained professional will be there and do an amazing job each and every time. See, now do you understand why I want to buy GiGO, Sam? Do you understand why I'm trying to buy GiGO?
Well, you better buy now, because in a few years, it's going to be so expensive.
I know. That's why I'm trying to buy it now. That's why I was going. You're not supposed to tell. What happened to client privilege.
But for me, reliability is very important, but the convenience and to know that the workers are bonded and insured, that's very important.
Yeah, all cleaners pass a background check.
A background check. Yeah, because
They
you have a
all
lot.
go-
What people don't realize, when you have cleaners, you have like people who are strangers in your
coming
home.
to your house.
I don't know
Exactly.
when did we decide that
Exactly.
strangers were the people. Like as a kid, they would say, "Don't take candy from strangers. Don't take rides from strangers." Now Uber,
them
stranger, and they're like, would you like some candy? And we're like, yeah. We don't even ask. We don't ask. That's why it's so important that someone like GiGO exists, that they do all the asking for us.
We do. Yeah, the system asks for all the necessary questions. So Sam, have you ever sold a business that it was really interesting, the concept was interesting or different from other businesses? Entertainment maybe, or restaurant with exotic food, or
Strip club. She wanted to say strip club, and she was too polite. Exotic food. That's what she called it. Exotic food. Yeah. Food that dances.
Every business is unique and different. There's no two businesses that are alike, but the one that I'm most excited about, and it's right now I have 2 offers on it. It's a huge restaurant with 46 billiard tables and darts and about almost 60 big screen TVs all around the building. It's 11,000 square feet.
Where is that?
Full restaurant. I can't say it on the radio.
Oh, okay.
It's confidential. But
okay, we get it.
If you sign an NDA, I can tell you. And it's a $5 million business, but once I entered, it was like, wow! It has that wow factor. And by the way, half of it is carpet, so I'm gonna hook you up with
perfect.
Someone has to clean it.
Someone's got to clean it,
and it's not going to be you.
They have a bar with 32 beers on draft, and then all the liquor. It was like when you enter this place, it is absolutely amazing. So that was exciting. Another business that I sold and it's over with last year. They export classic cars mostly to Australia and New Zealand. For some reason, people out there are really into like Cadillacs and Mustangs and those classic.
In Australia.
In Australia. Like,
And they're
I
very
didn't know
expensive.
that.
In Dubai,
Right.
it's the same thing. A lot of people, it's in Saudi Arabia as well. They import American cars, and it's extremely expensive.
It
Old
sure
one or
is.
new one?
New ones.
New ones too? Oh.
Yeah, but I'm talking. This company was just specializing in classic cars from like the 30s to 60s, that kind of range. And
That's amazing.
And some of them were like, they were fixer-uppers, but they were, the auto shops or the mechanics in Australia, they wanted those and they paid big dollars for it. So that was exciting, going to his warehouse. And every time I went there was some different cars, and I was I'd get in and I drove a few of them. So that was
cool.
fun.
That's very fun.
That's very fun.
Was your hair blowing in the wind? Was your hair blowing in the wind?
Actually, that's when I lost all my hair. No. He's funny. I like him.
He's really funny.
I'm just
I
here.
want your job. Let's switch.
Let's switch.
Let's switch.
I'll be the business broker. You be the comedian.
I think we'll both do better. No, I'm kidding. I can't do what you do. You're so good.
And I can't do what you do because I don't know what it is.
But I can.
That's the thing. No one knows what it is. No one knows what it is. No one knows what it is. Business broker. But at least we know that everybody
You know why
needs
no
cleaning.
one knows what it is? Because everything we do is confidential. So we don't
Correct.
advertise.
But how do you sell it if you don't advertise it?
Well, then if I tell
They're
you, I'll
based-
be out of a job.
Yeah. If I tell you I have to kill you, it's like being a spy. You're basically a spy.
I'm a spy. Sometimes I wear shades and I put a cap, and then the next time I go in, I put a different cap and different clothes.
And a
So
fake
they don't-
mustache, a fake mustache.
because we don't want the staff to know the business is for sale.
Yeah,
It
correct.
kind of creates a uncomfortable atmosphere. So we try to keep it, on the hush hush.
Sure, but it has nothing to do because it affects the staff, but just because of the perception. A lot of times people think businesses are being sold because they're failing. They're actually extremely successful. That's the best time to sell a business. It's just like you said, everyone needs an exit strategy.
Exactly.
Everyone does, and that's
Right.
why it's like everyone needs an exit strategy. Everyone needs a cleaning strategy. That's how it works.
Get your phone, download GiGO Clean app. It's free to download. Create your profile and use it for your next cleaning service. Stay tuned with us for our next podcast. And thank you so much for listening to this one. Follow us on social media. I forgot to say that. Follow us on social media.
And share and subscribe. That's the
Oh,
most. Share
yes.
and subscribe. That's what you always have to say. Share and subscribe.
Bye.
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 Bye.